This van is being sold and somebody is committed to buy it, and I'm just going to help clean it up before it's delivered. They live on a dusty road, so we're going to clean up the engine bay, and I'm going to carefully pressure wash it. The alternator is right here. I'm going to stay away from that. Also, the headlights were professionally detailed about 8 months ago, and they're all fogged up again. I'm not going to do a permanent repair to these, but I'm going to bring that clarity back and we'll wax it, and that'll preserve it for a while anyways. I'm also going to pressure wash the tires. Like I said, they're on a very dusty road, and get it cleaned up, even in where the gas cap is. So we'll wash it, put a coat of wax on it, buff out the places that are dry, and show you how it looks. Let's get started. I didn't use an aggressive tip when spraying that. I used the white tip and it cleaned it up real nice. Doesn't do any damage to any of the wiring or anything in here. Like I said, I stayed away from the alternator there and the air conditioning compressors right below that. So that looks real nice and clean. And I'll take the blower, blow it out, dry it all up, and that'll all be done in there. I don't know if you can see in the sun, but the headlights are really cloudy. I'm going to keep this real simple, and I'm going to use some Mother's mag and aluminum polish, a buffing pad that I just put on my drill, and I'm going to dampen this with water first. I'm going to rub some Mother's on there on the headlight lens and then buff it out. Little wax, I like this. McGuire's. Now if somebody knows a great UV protector that you can put on here, I'd like to hear about it. That'll hold up. I haven't been able to find one. And we'll wipe the wax off. There's the after. Just like new. The hood's a little dry, lost its luster. I found this Meguiar's works well. I just put a little water on the buffing pad. Now I'll give it a coat of wax. Polish that right up. See that shine? Took all that oxidation off. Beautiful. Now we'll do the rest. She's all done, ready for delivery. Did the headlights. They're looking brand spanking new. Clean the engine bay. She's looking pretty. I had to buff the whole van out. It sits in the sun, wasn't cared for the way I'd like to care for it, but got it buffed out, waxed, cleaned the wheels and the tires. Be a nice car for the people that are buying it. Washed and waxed. The roof. It's looking good. Little scuff here and there. Be a nice car for him. Only has 30,000 miles on it. Also put Rain-X on the windshield. 2 coats of wax on the hood. And 3 coats of wax on the headlights. Keep them from drying out. She's in good shape. If this video was a help to you or you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.